Now we take a image for editing only for beginners level. Improving a studio portrait. Core feature: masking and light. Photographing for this dress designer was a huge honor, yet the studio light needs help. Learn how to add a finishing touch with radial and linear gradients to recreate the missing dimension to improve this studio portrait. Start tutorial. Loading completed. Chapter 1 of 2. Mask group 1, improving the light. When I captured this portrait, I was using a large soft light source. The end result is a smooth and beautiful look. The only downside is that the subject is leaning on is too bright. Let's fix that. Okay, continue. The reason we want to darken the table is that it's near the edge of the frame and drawing attention away from the subject. Okay, continue. First time, open the masking panel. Okay, open. Tap on the plus to create a new mask with a linear gradient. Okay, select the linear gradient. Selected. Create a liner gradient from the bottom of the image upward. Okay, then open the light panel. Okay, open it. Decrease the exposure value to darken the area. Okay, darken the area. Decrease the shadows value to darken the dark tones. Okay, shadows and dark tone. Chapter 2 of 2 completed. Mask group 2, fixing over exposure. As I photograph a portrait, I concentrate on connecting with the subject, knowing that I can fitness the smaller details in Lightroom. Okay, continue. If you look closely, the hand on the right side is overexposed, and because it's so close to her eyes, it will look better if we darken down that highlight, which in turn will better frame her face. Okay, first time close the light panel. Close. Tap on the plus to create a new mask with a radial gradient. Okay, radial gradient. Add a radial gradient over the overexposed highlight. Okay, open the light panel. Open. Darken the bright tones by decreasing the highlights value. Okay, the highlight now looks better but needs some more work to look natural. Okay, continue. Increase the contrast. Increase the exposure to brighten the area a touch. Okay, open the effects panel. Open. Soften details and reduce contrast to help the adjustment blend in. Clarity. Okay, next let's fix the color. We will begin by decreasing color saturation, and then refine the color to better match the skin tone. Okay, continue. Open the color panel. Okay, decrease color intensity. Decrease color intensity. Make the area warmer, more yellow. Okay, use local toning to make the adjustment look natural and match the surrounding skin color. Okay, pro tip: follow where your eyes go in an image and decide if that is international or perhaps needs to be corrected, as we did by balancing the tones and color with radial and linear gradients. That looks great. Try this on your own photos. Okay, congratulations, completed our image editing. Now we selected another image for editing. We see that the image enhance blue our image with masking. Core feature: masking and light. If you are a fan of blue, our image, as I am, you will understand that we have to make adjustments to test out the image that we want from time to time. Masking will help us get there. Let's dive in. Okay, let's start our tutorial. Loading completed. Masking with linear gradients. Our first mask will be linear gradient to start focusing the light into the middle of the skin. Okay, continue. Open the masking panel first time. Okay, tap on the plus to create a new mask with a linear gradient. Okay, linear gradient. Drag out the first linear gradient from the bottom upwards. Okay, open the light panel. Open. Brighten the area to show more of the buildings. Okay, close the light panel. Okay, close. Tap to add a linear gradient into the same mask. Okay, tap to the load linear gradient into the same bank. Okay, add to mask linear gradient. Okay, completed. Okay, open the color panel. Saturation. Increase color intensity and see how it highlights the contrast. Close the color panel. Close. Try pulling out the panel for a more detailed view of your. Try pulling out the panel. Add one more linear gradient. This time jump right to this button to subtract from the current mask. Okay, select the linear gradient selected. Lastly, let's work on bringing out important details in the photograph. Okay, open the effects panel. Okay, Clarity is a beautiful tool that I like to use at just does of icon little helps. Okay, open the light panel, darken the highlight to bring out more details. Okay, chapter 2 completed. Top 3, masking to darken and define edges. Next I will use a group of masks to darken the edges of the frame to guide the viewer's eyes towards the center, creating a vignette effect with multiple gradients offers so much more control over the basic vignette slider. Okay, continue. Close the light panel, close. Tap on the plus to create a new mask with a linear gradient. Okay, select linear gradient. Okay, open the light panel, darken the area, close the light panel, tap to add a linear gradient into the same mask, add to mask 2, select linear gradient, drag in second liner gradient at an angle. Okay, open the effect panel open, add a bit of clarity to create more detail to photograph. Close the effects panel, tap to add a linear gradient into the same mask, add to linear gradient. One more time, make sure all your edges match and the picture looks natural. Okay, chapter 3 completed. Top 3, masking with a radial gradient. The last step will be adding a radial gradient to bring out the mask on the tail. Okay, continue. Tap on the plus to create a new mask with a radial gradient. Select radial gradient. Draw a radial gradient on the impressive architecture. Open the light panel, brighten the area, close the light panel, open the tool options by dragging this bar, radial gradient. Often changes do not have to be very obvious to be effective. Remember that salt a little goes a long way. Okay, continue. That looks great. Try this on your own photos. Okay, congratulations, and complete our second photo editing. It's very simple. Thank you.